ab work, and then we're going to jump into plank work. Let's do this. Come into your back, and I will invite you to be very gentle if you haven't been exercising for some time, to be very gentle with yourself. Lay on your back and on your forearms, press your lumbar spine into the mat as if you were pressing sponge into the mat. Squeeze the lumbar spine into the mat, bring your feet off the floor and bring it down without touching. A couple of times, starting slow, warming up the abdominal walls. Pressing the navel towards the spine. Pause, left leg towards the wall in front of you, back, opposite side. Few times, straightening the legs. We're going to increase the speed. Increase the speed even faster. You are welcome to stay here in this speed or to go back to very slow or going even faster. Toes pointing up. Press the navel towards your spine. 2 more rounds. Knees towards your chest, lower on your back, hug your knees. Rock from side to side. Hands behind your head. Welcome to keep shoulders on the mat or lift the shoulders, your choice. And the same exercise, straight one leg, press the other back. Very slow. If this is too much, you are welcome to place one foot on the floor. Keep one foot on the floor at all times. I'm modeling for you. If this is not too much, increase the speed. Remember to modify. Few more. Keep pressing the lumbar spine on the ground. Navel towards the spine. Faster. 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 2 more. Knees on the chest. Hug your knees and relax. Rock from side to side. There you go. Come to stillness. Hands behind your head. Choice to lift the shoulders or to keep the shoulders on the mat. I'm going to lift my shoulders. Bring the lower leg parallel to the floor and lift the hips. Lift, lift. Engage the belly button towards the spine. No momentum, no jerking your knees, no jerking your legs. Lift. Engaging the transverse abdominals. Few more. Engage and hold. Hold. Hands towards your knees. Breathe. Keep engaging. Keep holding. I know you can do it. Tending the fire of your belly. Feel that fire and do it. Keep going. There you go. Yes, yes, yes. And release. Oh my goodness. Release. Congratulations. Yes. Tending the sacred fire of your own life. Rock from side to side. Stillness. Bring left foot on the floor, right foot on top of left knee. Hands behind your head. Lift the shoulders. Right elbow towards right knee. Pulsate. Pulsate. Hold our elbow towards the knee and mini pulsations. Keep going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. Center, right elbow towards the left knee. Couple of times. Keep going. Hold and mini pulsations. Hold, breathe, and release. Oh yeah. Both knees on top of your chest. Opposite side. Hands behind your head. Inhale, rise. Left elbow towards the left knee. Pulsate. Hold. Mini pulsations. Elbows wide apart. Breathe. Come back to center. Oh yeah. Now right elbow towards the left knee. Pulsate. Few times. Hold. Mini pulsations. There you go. Almost done. Ab work almost done. Come on, you can do this. Hold and release. Bring your knees towards your chest and just feel how good it is. Final ab work. Knees wide apart. Interlace your hands, them inside your thighs. Lift shoulders off the mat. Choice to keep them on the ground. Inhale, lift and pulsate. Pulsate. One more. Hold. Find that smile. Breathe. Mini pulsations. And release. Oh yeah. Hold your knees and rock from side to side. Ab work is done. Woohoo! That's wonderful. Pause here for a moment. Reconnecting to your intention. Change sceneries. What does that mean to you today? Let's work on our plank. Wrist under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Press the belly button towards the spine. Inhale, lift the right foot, straight that leg. Flex that knee, bring towards the ceiling. One more. Hold. Toe of the feet towards the ceiling. Release, opposite side. Flex the knee and pulsate. Hold, toe of the feet towards the ceiling, and release. Choices of having one knee always on the floor or both knees off the mat. Right knee up, down, left up, down, right up, down, left up, down. Keep going, alternating knees on your own pace. No rush. Rest when you need. Bring right knee on off the floor, left knee on the ground, and pulsate. Change sides. Left knee off the ground and pulsate. Pause. Both knees off the ground. Left on the mat, up, right down, up, left down, up, right down, up, on your own pace. Straight, strong arms, strong back, building sacred fire. Feel this sacred place inside of you. Both knees up, hold for 3 breaths. Knees on the mat, rest in child's pose. Breathe in child's pose. Rock your hips from side to side. Release any tension on face, shoulders, and neck. Remember, if you have wrist problems, come into your forearms. At to sit and just rotate your wrist a little bit, releasing any of that stress from using our wrist. Come to your hands and knees. Shoulders are on top of your wrist and your knees are on the floor. Lift them off the mat, you are in a straight line. Bring both knees on the floor, off. On the floor, off. On, off. On your own pace. Tending the breath. Breath is smooth. Face is calm. Keeping the inner determination. Few more breath here. Hold knees off the mat for 3 breaths. And rest in child's pose. Knees forward, hips melting on top of your heels. Close your hands. Roll your wrist a little bit. Releasing tension from your neck and shoulders, from your wrist. Final round on plank. If this is too much, you're welcome to just enjoy your breath. Stay on your cool. Commit to listen to your body. Committed to find your strength that is built over time. Come back to your hands and knees. Welcome to always keep one knee on the floor. Look forward. Tuck the toes under. Lift left foot off the mat. Down, right, down, left, down, right, down. Keep going. Find your inner smile. Great strength. Arms, belly. Looking forward. Keep going. Yes, yes, you can do this. Don't collapse the shoulders. Don't collapse the hands. Keep pressing the belly button towards the spine. Few more times. You can do this. Let's go. Let's do it. Breathe. 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, 4 more, 5 more. Hold for 3 breaths. You can do this. Breathe and release. There you go. Rest on top of your heels. Find inner love for your wrist. Come back to the breath. Tending sacred fire. Strength and power you need to face the world. Vitality, health, mobility, strength starts with just 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Congratulations, yes!